Hello students, today we will start with Standard 7 Maths Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities. The first topic in comparing quantity is ratio. Ratio is denoted by the symbol like this and is read as is to. Say 2:1 or 1:2. Let us start with the definition of ratio. The quantitative relation between the two amounts showing the number of times one value contains or is contained within the other. Let us see the best example I have selected. Suppose the run made by Sachin is 100 and the run made by Sehwag is 50. If I want to denote in ratio, I can denote Sachin is to Sehwag is equals to 100:50. Again is equals to 2:1. Similarly, suppose if you are asked Sehwag is to Sachin is equals to 50:100 is equals to 1:2. In other language, I can say Sehwag scored half the runs scored by Sachin, or I can say Sachin scored double the run scored by Sehwag. Let us see the example. Second example for the same is 30 days to 36 hours. So here also first we will convert these days to hours. One day is equals to 24 hours, then 30 days is how much? 30 days is equals to 30 into 24 will give you 720 hours. Then you will find the ratio 720 upon 36. When you will divide 720 by 36, you will get the answer 20 upon 1. So my answer is 20:1. Exercise 8.1. Question 1. We had already seen find the ratio. Question 2 is a problem sum. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Now, here you are told that 3 computers are there for every 6 students. Total students are 24. So, how many computers will be required? This floating you had studied in your lower standard also. Okay, so number of computers required for 24 students is equals to cross multiplication. 24 multiplied by 3. And this 6 will go to the division position. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Now you just have 24 upon 2. So when you divide 24 by 2, you will get the answer 12. Therefore, 12 computers will be needed for 24 students. Now, exercise 8.2, question 1. Convert fractional numbers to percentage. Here, the fraction is given in the question. Whenever you are asked to 0.02. So first we will convert this decimal to the fraction form and then we will multiply by 100 and this gives you the answer 2%. So this is conversion of decimal to percentage. 3. Estimate what part of the figure is colored and convert to percentage. In the figure, total 5 parts are there. So my denominator is 5. 3 part is colored. So my numerator is 3. Again this is a fraction form. So just 3 upon 5 and you will multiply by 100. You will get the answer 60%. Exercise 8.2, question 4. 15% of 250. Here 250 is the whole quantity of means multiplication. 15% of 250, so 15 multiplied by 250 upon 100 will give you the answer 37.5. It means that 15% of 250 is 37.5. Question 5. Find the whole quantity if. Here you can see the difference. In this question whole quantity was given, but here the whole quantity we are assuming as x. 5% of x is equals to 600. 5x upon 100 is equals to 600. This 100 will go to right hand side and 5x is equals to 600 into 100 will give you x is equal to 12,000, which means that 5% of 12,000 is 600. Question 6. Convert given percent to decimal fraction and also to the fraction in simplest forms. Percentage, decimal fraction, fraction and simplest form. 25% its decimal form is 0.25. Fraction form is 25 upon 100 and simplest form or reduced form is 1 upon 4. Second one, 150%. Its decimal fraction is 150 upon 100 is again equals to 1.5. Fraction form 150 upon 100 and simplest form is 3 upon 2. Question 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? Question 8. From the given question, exercise 8.2, question number 9. Mehta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Now here you are told that Mehta save is equals to rupees 4,000, which is again equals to 10%. And here you are asked to find out her actual salary, that is her total salary. So let us assume that total salary be x. So by reading the question, we can say that 10% of x is equals to 4,000. By finding the value of x, we get that x is equals to 40,000. So therefore her salary is rupees 40,000. Again you can cross check your answer. That is 10% of 40,000 is equals to 4,000. Yes. Moving on to 8.3. You must know all these formulas. Cp is equals to cos In this type of sum, the first thing is you have to add these numbers. That is 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. Then you have to find the percentage of each part. That is 2 upon 10, 3 upon